that much more special, and we're going to talk about one of those right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video and our cruise tip as we continue our countdown to our next cruise. And as of today, we have 18 more days till our next cruise. We're getting closer and closer every day. Yay, cruise. All right, so today what I want to talk about is decorating your cruise cabin door. Now, before we get started, I do want to say, like always, I have no affiliation whatsoever with these products I am going to show you. They are simply ones that we like to use. I'll tell you where I got them. I'll show them to you. But if you choose to get them, that's on you. Where you choose to get them from is up to you. I have no door. If you are a brand new cruiser, you may not know that your cruise cabin door have no problem if you put magnets on the outside of your door. Of course, they have to be tasteful and respectful. Let's not put anything out there that's inappropriate. Somebody may not like it, and there are kids on board the ship. But what I mean by putting magnets on your door is you can often go on places like Amazon.com and get personalized magnets to put on your door just to make your cruise trip a little extra. So for our upcoming cruise, this is one of the ones that we got. And of course we have it personalized with the Carnival Breeze for September of 2021 with our names on it. Like I said, just thin, magnetic, goes right on the cruise cabin door. And we got this one, which may be my personal favorite. I survived the cruise shutdown of 2020. I just felt that this one was extremely appropriate for our upcoming cruise, since this will be our first cruising back after the cruise shutdown. Now, cruise lines like Disney Cruise Lines, you will see door magnets and people decorating their doors quite a bit. It's very, very popular on Disney Cruise Lines. Now, while I have seen it on other cruise lines, it's not quite as much as it is on Disney, but it is something that we like to do on every single cruise we go on. We always get a personalized cruise magnet specifically for that trip to go on our cruise cabin door. And like I said, it's just a little fun something to personalize the trip and give it a little bit of extra magic. So my question for y'all today is going to be, do you guys have anything favorite? Hit that subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will...